Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Jeanette and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This video is a new in the shop video with a vintage resin picture frame that has been just redesigned into an eye-popping colorful whimsy decor. This is an amazing transformation. I'll try to pop in a before picture right here in the video to show you just what a difference this came about. Now it's a very heavy vintage frame. It weighs nearly a pound and it's been hand painted with that checkerboard pattern on the watering can so you can blend it with your courtly decor or add it to your black and white check decor, or even buffalo check. It would be cute there too. If you want a pop of color to just kind of brighten your day, this piece is going to do it. There's a high gloss finish over the birdhouses and all the colors will pop with that bright finish. Traditional kickstand back to allow it to set on a mantle, shelf, or tabletop. And if you like, there is enough room, you can add your own hardware to hang it on the wall if you wanted to do that. The frame measures 8 by 6 by approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. It's got that 3D effect to it, and the picture size, you can remove the wacky birds picture and put your own print or photo in there. The picture size is 4.5 by 3. I love painting these transformations. It's just amazing what you can do with a little bit of paint and a lot of your time. If this piece is for you, you can scan the QR code right here in the video and I'll ship it to your doorstep, insured shipping, or you can use the first link in the video description. If you prefer, you can follow the second link in the video description, which will take you over to the Crafty Hobbit shop. I post all new items here on the YouTube channel, so if you want to know about those right away, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.